one gutsy person. Nakatira sa Manila, nagtatrabaho sa Quezon City, pero sa Baguio nag-audition si Joel Amper, also known as PM. And behind that happy and gay facade,
Alam mo naman, pagbuhay ng bakla, kailangan matulong ka sa family mo. Family first. Naging performer na ako at ganito ang trabaho ko. As long as gusto mo akong laipin, wala sa akin. Hindi mo naman ako pinapakain. Hi, good evening, Miss Chris, Miss Ai.
Anong name mo?
My name is PM.
Eh, anong gagawin mo?
The singing.
Okay. PM, go!
Thank you.
Alo.
coming from a human being I have ever heard. Lumipat na pwestong lalaki, banal na aso, santong kabayo, natatawa ko. Banal na aso, santong kabayo, natatawa ko. Sa'yo.
Thank you.
BM?
Yes, madam.
Initials lang ba yung BM? Ano yun? Anong
Big mouth.
BM, I have a question. Kanina parang may birds, di ba? So, kaya mong birds, kaya mo ang horse. Ano pang kaya mo?
Marami kang alam na ganyan. Ano pa? Alam mo, kahit nakakatakot yung gumaganon ka, isa kang napakagaling na performer.
Thank you so much.
Yes! You're proof na, alam mo yung, the costume, of course, is stunning. But the performance was even more breathtaking.
Thank you.
You're amazing.
Thank you.
Let's vote. Ako, yes!
Absolutely, yes.
It goes for me also. It's a yes.
Congratulations, BM. See you sa next round.
Thank you.